Hi guys, this is CA Kshitij Gupta and you're watching Wealthy's YouTube channel. So recently Tamil Nadu state government has presented its financial budget for the year 2023-24. Let's discuss some key highlights from that budget. First of all, the annual revenue deficit, which was around 62,000 crore earlier, will be get reduced to around 30,000 crore in this current financial year. However, the state's borrowing is at all-time high with around 7 lakh crore rupees outstanding as on date. The state government has given a projection of collecting around 1,75,000 crore, which is an increase of around 20% from the last year. How government is going to spend it? More than 3 lakh crore will be spent on revenue expenditure and more than 44,000 crore will be spent on capital expenditure. So government will be majorly spending its money on two causes. First of all, on the social welfare of the people, and secondly for the infrastructure development of the state. So let's first talk about the major key expenditure government is going to do for social welfare of the people. First of all, in a bid to encourage more and more students to attend government schools regularly, free breakfast would be provided in all the government schools from now onwards, and the estimated expenditure on this will be around 500 crores. Similarly, in a bid to encourage more and more students from Tamil Nadu state to attend UPSC examination, 1000 UPSC aspirants will be chosen and they would be provided 7,500 rupees per month to encourage them to go for UPSC examination. Similarly, 4,000 crore rupees are set aside for waiver of gold and education loans. So the government is encouraging more and more people in Tamil Nadu states to get education. Lastly but not the least, 1,000 rupees will be provided to homemakers, women across the states, and estimated 7,000 crore rupees will be spent on this social cause as well. Now let us talk about some infrastructure development program that is planned to be done in this current financial year. First of all, metro rail projects will be launched in the city of Coimbatore as well as Madurai. So the estimated cost for launching the metro rail project in Coimbatore is estimated to be around 9,000 crore that government is going to spend. And in Madurai state, for launching the metro rail project, the estimated cost is around 8,500 crore. In a major power project launch, government will be spending around 77,000 crore on a mega power project to be launched in the state of Chennai. But this mega power project is estimated to be completed by 2030. Apart from that, government will be spending on improvement of bus infrastructure, where around 500 crores will be spent on procurement of new buses and refurbishment of the current buses. As well as government will be spending some money on redevelopment and renovation of the current bus depots to improve the condition of present bus depots. Apart from that, new textile park will be developed in the state of Salem, which will cost around 1,000 crore to the state government. And along with that, there are many schemes that government is estimated to be launching, which includes free Wi-Fi in many cities around Tamil Nadu state, development of Tamil Nadu Tech City to cater to the demand of ongoing office space crunch. So these are the main key highlights from the Tamil Nadu state government budget that has been presented recently. Hope you enjoyed this video. तो दोस्तों, वीडियो खत्म करने से पहले let me tell you an interesting part. अगर इसको सुनोगे तो definitely it will help you. A lot of you might be earning money, लेकिन अभी तक आपने अपने finances की proper planning शुरू नहीं की है. If you plan your finance properly, then it will not only help in your present but also it will help securing your future. अब दोस्तों, आप में से कुछ बिगिनर्स अपनी अर्निंग और मनी को इन्वेस्ट तो करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन कहां और कैसे इन्वेस्ट करें ये समझ नहीं आ रहा. तो डोंट वरी, लेट मी टेल यू एन इफेक्टिव सॉल्यूशन. आज ही वेल्दी के वेल्थ पार्टनर से बात करें. एक वेल्थ पार्टनर ना ही सिर्फ आपको आपके फाइनेंशियल गोल्स के अकॉर्डिंग फाइनेंशियल प्लान बनाकर देंगे, वहीं साथ में आपके रिस्क फैक्टर्स को कंसीडर करके आपको बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट पोर्टफोलियो भी बनाकर देंगे और उसको मैनेज भी करेंगे. है ना इतना आसान? तो टेंशन किस बात की है, इजी है ना. तो आज ही अपनी कॉल शेड्यूल करें अपने वेल्दी के वेल्थ पार्टनर से एंड स्टार्ट योर इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी विद वेल्दी.